Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, today what class, sir?
Who is this? Today's sketching class.
Good
Okay.
evening, sir.
Good evening. So we are going to do sketching today. So last class acrylic I sent very late. So I could not create video. So it got delayed. Try to complete it and send it to me.
Sir,
Okay.
I did a drawing with oil pastel, sir.
Okay. So me. Aparna has completed. Okay. So I'll let this show me. Show me. Okay. This is good. Looking good. As a background, also you can give some color. Okay, background also you can give some color, like a little bit of blue or turquoise, some color you can give, then it will be more better. Looks good. The house can have some depth. The door can be made darker. Okay, good work. Um, okay, very good. Aparna has done very, Aparna joining after a long time. Very good. It's a beautiful work. So very good. So in the top, some agenda also I've added, so that is looking good. Okay, looks good, Aparna. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good to see you back after some time. Okay, Deepika also joined. Hi, Deepika. Okay, hi, Imea. Imea also has joined. Okay, hello everyone. So let's do. Okay. Let's do. So we are going to do a portrait today, actually, or a face. Particularly, there is a famous statue, David statue. So the face of that statue we are going to do. Okay. Let's try. So hi, Mithila. Mithila. ஒரு ஹாய் கூட சொல்ல மாட்டீங்க.
Hello. Good evening.
Fix the camera with this every time I have problem. Okay, so who else have joined?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sukanya. So today we are going to do pencil sketching. So we are going to do face of a statue. It is a Greek statue, David statue. Okay, just a minute. Change the camera. Okay, so it is a portrait of a face. So in the sketching class, in the last class, generally we talk about the proportions, how do we draw the face. So I'm going to draw a face today. So see I'm just having my hand. It is going to be from this height. So in the top, I'm just start making smaller, I mean, not stronger line, lighter line, okay? Lighter line. So I'm making a lighter line here. So it's going to come till here, okay?
Sir,
So this is the height, yeah.
sir, actually my hand is too short than yours. Is the size okay?
இந்த சைஸுக்கு பண்ணுங்கடா ஏன்டா A4 size in your paper, right? So இந்த சைஸுக்கு பண்ணுங்க அவ்வளவுதான். So கையை வைக்கல நானு. Okay, now do it. Is okay? Now do it. So now do it. So this is the height of this face. So I'm going to make a oval, right? I'm just making. This looks like a inverted egg. Okay, it looks like inverted egg. Just make it approximately. I'm using lighter lines only. It's definitely not darker line. So this is how we start making a portrait. Inverted egg looks like an inverted egg. If I rotate the paper, okay, so now it looks like an egg, right? So I'm putting the paper back in its position. So erase it and correct it if you are not getting it. You know. So these eyes come in the middle actually. So again, another lighter line I'm going to draw. This is the guiding line for the eye. Okay.
Sir, is this okay?
Okay, so the upper part has to be rounder. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So can be little more rounder, the upper part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm seeing from Deepika. Okay, good Deepika. Looks good. Okay, good. Looks good, Anirudh. Perfect. Okay, I'm seeing from Hamshita. Okay, looks good, Hamshita.
Sir, is this okay?
Okay, Sukanya. Looks good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Krish, looking good, but it has to be lighter. It has to be definitely lighter, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so then I did a line also here. So this is for the line for the eye. And so then after this, so again, I'm making a lighter line, okay? So see, light.
I'm putting the video on the அப்புறமா அப்புறமா இப்ப வரைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா சார்? நீங்க வரைஞ்சதே தெரியல சார்.
லைட்டா தானே வரையணும், லைட்டா. ஓகே, சம் டிராயிங் லைட், இது மாதிரி லைட்டா வரைங்க ஆக்சுவலா. ஓகே, ஸோ இன்னும் வரையல, வரைய தான் தெரியும். So neckல வந்து, some look at this. For the neck, I'm making a line here. Actually, there is a one line, and there is going to be another line. So this line is little bigger like this. So இவரோட கழுத்து வந்து பெருசா இருக்க போகுது. ஓகே, இந்த கழுத்து வந்து பெருசா இருக்க போகுது. So I'm making one line like this, another line like this. So கழுத்து வந்து, it is going to be there is a line here and there is a line here. It's going to be like this. Okay, so இது overall shape. பொறுமையா வரீங்க. So this neck lines go like this. Okay, so even later also we can draw a neck. Now let us, so I'm going little closer. Okay, closer to the face. So we are going to draw the details for the eye. Okay, we are going to draw the details for the eye. So the eye is ending here. Okay, the eye, the other end, it is here actually. Inside this oval, I'm making here. This is another eye. Eye start from here and end here. He's looking to the right side actually. Right side. So from here to here, okay, and so I'm trying to divide this into two. So I make 2 points, one here and one point here and 1 point. So I've divided the whole thing into 3 equals. Three equals. 3 equals. Now approximately there is again, it is a lighter line. So making lighter line. Okay, so this is for the eyebrow. Okay, line for the eyebrow. Then between this eyebrow and the chin. Okay, now between this I can make a line. Okay, between the eye, I'm just making a lighter line. Okay, the lighter line. When it comes down, the position of the chin changes. Right, this is a new position of the chin. Okay, this is a new position of the chin. So from here, my line has to go. I'm just correcting the line, right side line. I'm correcting like this. Left side line, let it be like this, because the jaw is like this. Now the position of the chin, it is right here. So I've corrected a little bit.
Sir?
Yes, Simea?
Is this like this?
ஓகே, நல்லாதான் இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த தலை வந்து இன்னும் இப்படி ரவுண்டா வரும் இந்த ஷேப்.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it has to be in the, look at this round. Okay, and try to make that shape. Otherwise, here the details what you are making it is good. So in your sketching class later we'll be talking in detail about this. So now you just try best. Okay, so whatever right or wrong, just keep trying. It's going to be good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so between the chin and the eyebrow. Okay, so in between, right in the middle. So middle, I'm just making a line like this, and this is going to be for the nose. Okay, so this is between the eyebrow and the chin. I'm making a line, and this is for the nose. Sukanya, kai sariya varda height. Okay. Okay, Niru, this should be all right, I guess. I can see it later. Okay, சரியா தான் இருக்கு. It is looking good. அந்த மூக்கு லைனும் லைட்டா இருக்கணும். Okay, still lighter lines only I'm drawing.
Sir, இது ஓகேவா sir?
Seeing from Krish. Okay, Chris has Chris, இந்த கண்ணு வந்து eye line வந்து in the eye has to be it has to be in center இல்லையா? So உங்களோட அந்த line for the eye itself not in center, but it is okay, don't worry. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், the upper round அது வந்து you can make it little bigger actually, so that the eye line will become in the center. Lena, you have done correctly. So what is the mistake you have done? Okay, eye has to be, I'm going to see from Sukanya, show it. Okay, Sukanya, looking good. So நம்ம already நிறைய time பண்ணிருக்கோம், so it is looking good. I'm
Thank
trying.
you, sir.
Deepika. I could not see, but hope it is all right, Deepika. No problem. Should be all right. Okay, Madhuvanti has joined now. So Madhuvanti, okay, this is the class work. Romba nalla irukku. Clouds is looking very good. Okay, good work. The stones and everything is looking good. Looks good, Madhuvanti.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So homework na later than share panna, so you try it actually later, okay?
Sure, sir.
Krish, we'll see in the sketching class. உங்களோட sketching homework நம்ம அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம் actually. This is not this is a monthly class. உங்க sketching class Tuesday இருக்கும். அப்ப வந்து we'll see your sketching homework. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Then position of the mouth. Position of the mouth வந்து between the nose and the chin. இத வந்து 3 divide பண்ணணும். Okay? Yes.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but this is the monthly classes, right, sir? Or have I joined in the wrong place?
Monthly classes on Thursday, monthly class. I was talking to, there is another Krish. I was talking to him.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
So, Nitish, you have any homework to show?
So I had exams.
Sir, okay, okay, good. Okay, in the portrait we are doing. Okay, so between the nose and the chin, I have to divide this into 2. Okay, so I'm dividing this into 2 equals, and In the first division, here is the division. I just make this line, this for the mouth. So ரொம்ப க்ளோஸா பாத்தீங்கன்னா this person has turning to the right, அதனால ரைட் சைடு கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா இருக்கும், லெஃப்ட் சைடு கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருக்கும். So we do that for the mouth if the person is turning. Okay, so அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சின்ன சேஞ்ச் இருக்கு actually. That you can note. So இந்த பொசிஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம கரெக்டா இருந்தா அதுக்கப்புறம் we can start drawing, giving all the details. So in the portrait வரையும் போதும் இந்த மாதிரி we have to make sure the positions are correct. So அதுக்கப்புறம் we can make start drawing, make good drawing. Okay, so பண்ணிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Nose and mouth position, just mark the positions. Detailed we are going to draw. இதுக்கப்புறம் தான் வரைய போறோம். Okay, where is the ears? The ears are going to be between the nose, between this nose, okay, and the eyebrow. Between nose and eyebrow, the ears are going to be, and so I'm going to make this curve. So I'm making a bigger curve for upper part of the ear. Okay, then smaller curve for lower part of the ear. I can simply just connect them like this. So this is how we make the ear. The neckline coming from this ear, the jaw line. So that is also coming from this ear like this. Just wait, Deepika. So one last thing we are going to do. After that, I'll see. So his hair we are going to draw. His hair we are going to draw. So his hair, curly hair. It's going to be curly hair. I'm just making like this, okay, and like this. I'm making. Look at this. I made like this. The height of the head, I'm going to increase a little bit because of the hair. So here I'm increasing it. See how, so this side near the eye, so it is going like this curly hair. Then it is going, look at this. This is the basic shape of the hair, starting like this. So the left side, it is coming near the ear like this. Okay, the further it is going up, and okay, so this is the curly hair. Curly hair, he is having it. The details we will draw later. Okay, but this is the basic shape, overall basic shape. We have to draw this approximately. என்ன பாட்டுனே தெரியலையே சுகன்யா. ஏதோ ஒரு பாட்டு பாடுறீங்க, கேட்கவே இல்லை என்ன பாட்டு. சரி, பஞ்சு மிட்டாய் ஹெட்டா டேய். Okay, now we can show. Then after that we'll get started. So the head line, so adu irukattum appdi irukattum paravalla. So this is the overall structure. We have completed drawing. Idukapram we are going to give the details.
Sir, தெரியுதா sir?
பார்க்குறேன். வெயிட் நிறைய பேர் காமிக்கிறீங்க. ஒண்ணா பார்க்குறேன் நான். I'm seeing from the Krish. Okay, Krish, நல்லா இருக்கு. Good. I'm going to see from Sukanya.
Thank you, sir.
சுகன்யாவும் ரொம்ப லைட்டா போட்டிருக்காங்க. எனக்கு சரியா தெரியல. பட் I guess it is good. நல்லா இருக்கு சுகன்யா. Should be good. It is in a...
Thank you, sir. Sir?
Yes. I'm seeing from Imaya. Okay. Imaya. Okay, fine, Imaya. It is good.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, person name only, sir.
The person David. A very
Yes, sir.
famous David statue. Greek statue. I'm seeing from Anirudh. Anirudh head போட்டாச்சா முடியலாம். Okay, looks good. மேல இடம் இல்ல போல இருக்கு அவருக்கு. Okay. சரி அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, good.
Sir?
So I'm seeing from Deepika now. Okay, Deepika has drawn very light. Okay, looks good. Looks good, Deepika. Very good. Madhuvanti. Okay, perfect, Madhuvanti. Very, very nice. Cool.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I'm seeing from Aparna. Okay, hair added. Aparna is draws always very good. Good, Aparna.
Thank you, sir.
I'm seeing from Hamshita. Okay, looks good, Hamshita. Very good. Clean, nice. Okay, so now I am giving a zoom. Zooming.
Sir, நீங்க வந்து வாயில ஒரு சேஞ்ச் சொன்னீங்க. இந்த மாதிரி அந்த ஸ்டாச்சு ரைட் சைடுல திரும்பி இருக்கிறதுனால வந்து ரைட் சைடுல நம்ம கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா பண்றோம்னு. அதே சேஞ்ச் நான் நோஸ்லயும் பண்ணிருக்கேன் சார். அது பண்ணணுமா?
நோஸ்ல எல்லாம் பண்ண வேண்டாம் இப்போதைக்கு. நோஸ்க்கு ஜஸ்ட் இப்படி லைன் போட்டா போதும். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த லிப்ல தான் பண்ணணும் நம்ம. இங்க கம்மியா இருக்கு, இங்க கொஞ்சம் அதிகமா இருக்கு. லெஃப்ட் சைடுல அதிகமா இருக்கு, ரைட் சைடு கம்மியா இருக்கு. ஓகே, சரி, ஓகே. Let's start. So now I'm going to make the eye. So in eye is going to be from here to here. We divided into 2. Okay, we have 3 equal parts. So now let's make one eye. So I'm making this shape for this eye. So nicely it is rising like this. Then softly it is going to the end. So this is the curve I'm making for eye. Okay, I did one line. The line in the bottom has to be very, very light. Okay, it has to be very, very light. So I'm making lighter line in the bottom. Okay, the line in the top can be thicker, darker like this. So I'm also making second line. So I'm making a second line. So this is how we have made. So the நடுவுல அந்த கோட் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. So I have not it erased. You can think about this guiding line, right? Part of the guiding line. So slightly you can erase it. அப்புறம் இந்த ஸ்டாச்சுல எல்லாமே it is not a real eye, right? So anyway, so I can make this round. This round we are not going to make If we draw a real eye, we make dark shades, but we don't do here. Because this line will be there, then in the middle, so making another round. So in that round, I have to do one shading I have to do. Okay, so it is generally how they make a hole there. So they make a hole, that's all. Okay, they make a hole in the center. They make a line here. So this is how they do the statues. Okay, so this is one eye. This is one eye. So the lower line, I said make it light. So below that lower line also, I can make closely, I can make another line. One more line, I'm doing it. Okay, above the upper line also I made another line. Below the lower line also I made another line. Okay, and little bit of shading also I start giving. The upper eyelid, below that very light, very light, some shadow, very light shadow I have given. Okay, further details and shadows we have to give, but we'll do later. But maybe I'm just making another line here, like this. So I made another line here below. Okay, here also I can give some light shading. Okay, between this line and this. Just don't worry if you miss something, it is all right. So it is not real eyes, it is statue eye, and we are having the shadows like this. So in the top also there is one more line I'm making now, like this. There's one more line also I'm making here like this. So there also I'm giving some shade. Okay, so we will stop here. We'll make another eye, we'll make an eyebrow. Then this whole thing will look far better.
சார் என்னோட ஷேடிங் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ரஃப்பா இருக்கு, அதனால நான் இயர்பட்ஸ் வச்சு அது பண்ணலாமா சார்?
இயர்பட் எல்லாம் இப்ப பண்ண வேண்டாம் சுகன்யா. ட்ரை டு நம்ம கையிலே வந்து லைட்டா ஷேட் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ நம்ம இயர்பட்டை நம்பி இருக்கக்கூடாது எப்பயுமே. Okay, we'll make one more eye. Krish will make another eye also. Then after that, I'll see. So another eye, அதோட position, we know that the position of the another eye. So this eye, so he almost இதே shapeல இருக்கும். So he's looking to the right side. அதனால the right sideல வந்து it is going up like this. Then It is a simple line. Okay, simple line. So this is how I make the line in the right side. So the line in the bottom, I'm making lighter line. Okay, it need not be darker. The real human also need not be darker. Any time need not be darker. So make this shape. So அதே மாதிரி மேலையும் draw a second line. Draw a second line. கீழையும் draw a second line. With the same position, we have to make this round. So making this round, same round போட்டிருக்கேன். Then in the middle, I'm making this round. So அதுக்கு வந்து I'm trying to give some shade. So almost this eye also done. And we have to give some shading. So in the top, I'm trying to give little bit of shading in the top for the whole thing. Okay, so in the below the eye, I'm just making another line like this. After making that line, I'm just giving some shade. So here I'm drawing this vertical line. This is for the nose. Then I'm just making this is curving like this. So this is curving like this. I did this line and it is curving like this. So here I'm going to make the shading, darker shading. Darker shading and some light shading also. Okay, so this I'm done here actually. Okay, so both the eyes are done. Nose we have to do. I'll just wait for you to complete. Then we have to make the eyebrow, and there are some shades. We are going to make it, and it's going to look good. So now eyes look like he is a nice person, but when we make the eyebrow, he will appear little angry. But he was like that. You know what he has done? He's holding a sling bag. Sling bag means a simple bag. In that whole bag, he has a lot of stones actually, and he's killed a rowdy. So it is the story happening in 15th century. So at that time, there were in the French Revolution was happening, and there is a rowdy guy, big, huge rowdy guy killing people and all. So this guy is a little boy. So this boy, young boy, so he's revoluting, is standing against that bad man. So he takes a lot of stones in his bag and throws at him. Kills him actually. So he is a symbol of revolution in Renaissance. People call Renaissance a symbol of revolution in Europe.
Sir, after finishing the drawing, should we shade the face with pencil?
Amama. Yes, yes. Okay. So next, let's make the. You are showing. Okay. But I hope you all might have done. Okay. Deepika. Looks good, Deepika. Looks good. It's very small, so tough for me to see. Okay, Imayad is nice, nicely coming up. Don't give up. Keep drawing. Okay, very good. Sukan.
Sir, இது ஓகேவா சார்?
Okay, Sukanya. Correct போட்டுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Seeing. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு. மதுவந்தி. Good. கொஞ்சம் லைட்டாவே கொடுங்க. அப்புறம் கடைசியில வந்து you always have a scope. You can revisit and make it darker actually. Okay. Always try to நம்ம என்ன நினைக்கிறோமோ அதை விட லைட்டாவே ஷேடிங் பண்ணுங்க. கடைசியில வந்து we can make it darker.
Sure, sir.
I'm seeing from Krish. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு Krish. Good. Krishம் அதே மாதிரி ஷேடிங் வந்து எப்பயுமே லைட்டா பண்ணுங்க. கடைசியில you can make it darker. Okay, Nirudh, nice. So ரெண்டு கண்ணும் கொஞ்சம் பக்கத்துல வந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு actually, right? But it's all right. No problem. Okay. Okay, so let's do the next one. Maybe we'll do this eyebrow. So we have to do the nose. Nose, eyebrow, which one? Eyebrow. Okay, so in the eyebrow, so this is the line for the nose. Okay, fine. So I'm going to make a light. See, this has to be very light. So I did a shade here actually, which is very light. I'm doing another shade here. Okay, another shade here. This is some wrinkles happening in the eyebrow because he is angry. Okay, then these wrinkles develop. So here and here. Here and here, and the right side. I'm just making little bit of shading in the right side. So look at this. This eyebrow is going up like this. This eyebrow is going up like this. Then I'm erasing the face line. This eyebrow is going up like this. A little bit of shading. This eyebrow going up like this. Then in the face, look at this. This goes like this. Okay, there is a line around that. Goes like this. Okay, so here some very, very light shading I'm trying to do. Okay, so that is all. So this eyebrow going up like this. Same way, this eyebrow also, left side, this eyebrow also going up like this. You know, already slowly we are making him angry. Okay, so both the eyebrows go up like that. There is a shading developed here. This you have to see. This you have to see. There is a lighter shading here. I'm doing this one. I below this eyebrow, there is a lighter shading I have done. So this behind also, there is some lighter shading I'm trying to do. Okay, so much is enough. Then after this, we can come to the nose. Okay, let's do the nose. So I'm going to make a approximate, but this is you don't have to make this, or look at this. I'm trying to make a small round here actually. Okay, so this is for the nose is made of 3 rounds. One big round, another small round in the other side, but almost we don't see it. But here you have a smaller round. Here we have one smaller round. It's a very light. Try your best to be extremely lighter. Maybe we will erase it actually, but time being I'm trying to do this round for the middle part. The right side only very small amount you see. Okay, so once you make this, let's make the nostrils, which is very easy. You can make a line like this. This is nostrils. I just made a line like this. This is nostrils. This line is darker, so this line I made. This is nostril. So other side nostrils we don't see, but I'm just making a line here. Simple line. So the nose is done. This is how we do the nose. Nose is turning a little bit right, so this side it is very small portion. Okay, the nostrils after doing you can a little bit of shading I've done. Okay, this nostrils is done. So this round we have, this nose line we have to connect to the top. So this round goes like this. This line goes like this. Goes like this. Okay, so look at this. There appears to be a very small bend. I have connected to the top, and this is how the shape of this nose develops. Okay, so this is how the shape of the nose develops. And there has to be some shading also we have to do, but that is extremely light. Let's not do it maybe. Or I'll just make few lines like this. One more line I make and I'll stop here actually. One more line here I'm making. And the round what I made initially for the nose. Okay, so that I'm erasing it now. With this I can erase it. So we are done with the nose. So if you like to show or get correction, you can maybe a little bit of shade also. Let's do so the bottom of the nose. It is getting some shadow. The bottom of the nose, very light, very light.
So, is this okay? The nose part.
So I see the nostrils line. Nostrils line. It is okay. Yeah, it is okay.
Sir,
Now you have to erase it. Actually, these are
got too angry.
you have to erase it. Maya, this round we did right, so that you have to erase it actually.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay, so it will be a little tough. Don't worry. Just try your best. So there will be a learning. Okay.
Sir, mine got too angry.
Too angry, Juju. Then you have to handle him. Yeah, he's little too angry. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. The nostrils you have to make it dark. I'm seeing from Anirudh now. And bring it closer, Anirudh. Okay, good. மூக்கு கொஞ்சம் சின்னதாயிருச்சு but it is all right. கண்ணோட ஸ்பேஸுக்கு then it is okay. Okay, Anirudh, good. Deepika. Deepika nose has become very small. But it's okay. It becomes cute actually in bunny rabbit maybe, but he's an angry boy. Okay, no problem, but it is okay. I'm seeing from Krish. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு Krish. It is correct. சரியா இருக்கு. It is good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let's move on. What is time now? So we have time. Can move on. Now lips. Let's draw the lips. Try to make my pencil a little bigger. So lip. We have drawn this simple line, right? So here itself, I'm going to make the change. So look at this. I'm making it like this, like a lip. Okay, so here itself, I'm making a change. I'm making this curve like this. So I made this curve, this simple line. So it was a straight line, but now I made this curve. I made this curve. Now I'm going to make the upper lip. So for the upper lip, I make this curve. So I made this curve. Then I'm drawing very light and seeing if it is okay. Then I will make it a little darker. So I'm just, it is okay. So it is, I'm making it little connecting to the right side like this. Look at that, also a nice curve connecting to the right side and connecting to the left side. So upper lip goes like this, little bigger. We made little bigger, but that's how that statue is having it. That's okay. So the lower lip, it's all right. It is a simple curve. We can make it. The statue is very big actually. So everyone taking a photo, they take it from the bottom. So upper lip appears to be bigger actually. I am just making lighter line for the lower lip. It is a simple curve. No big deal with the lower lip. Only upper lip, we have this curve and all. And here I'm making a smaller curve, not a strong line, very light line. Very light line. So almost everything is done. So what I'm going to do is erase the middle line. So this guiding line, okay, erase it. So that will erase some lines in the lip also, so that we can draw that again. Some erasing this middle line. Okay. Now we have to say thank you to the guiding lines, and we are erasing it. So now a little bit erased, and those lines I'm just making it with my pencil. And for the upper lip, we can do some minimal shading, okay, light shading for the upper lip. So do light shading for the upper lip. Little bit left side, little bit dark shading. Right side also little bit dark shading. Light shading, you have to do lighter shading.
Sir, இது correct ஆனு பாக்குறீங்களா?
Okay. Okay, Maya. நல்லதா இருக்கு. Keep continuing. Okay. பண்ண உங்களுக்கு வந்து you know how to do lighter shading, how to do darker shading, அதெல்லாம் வந்துரும். Okay. So don't worry, it is good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, சரியா இருக்கு சுகன்யா. It is good.
ஓகே சார். சார் அது வந்து நான் நினைச்சேன் இந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் டார்க்கா ஷேடிங் வந்துச்சுன்னா அது ஓகேவா சார்? ஓகே
தான், வேற என்ன பண்றது? பட் லைட்டா தான் பண்ணணும் ஆக்சுவலா. பட் உங்களுக்கு போக போக பண்ண you will get it. So Deepika, the mouth ஓட பொசிஷன் ரொம்ப கீழ இருக்கு. It has to be little up actually. It's between this nose and chin. So we did 2 lines. So in the first line we did the mouth. Okay, mouth it has come down, but it's all right. Okay, so next time you can correct it. The details are good. The position is some issue with the position. Okay, okay Madhavanti, good. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஃபேஸ் பெருசா போட்டுக்கலாமோன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். But it is all right. Okay, it is all right. கீழ வந்து இந்த okay, so that correction we are going to do. So இந்த இடத்துல வந்து we are going to make a little roundish. So உங்களோட இதுல வந்து it is more pointed, sharp-ஆ இருக்கு actually. Okay, so that you can correct it to the round மாதிரி. Okay, otherwise yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I'm seeing from Krish. Krish in a வேற angle தெரியுது. Okay, looks good Krish. Good portrait. Looks good.
Right, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Lower lip la irukka line வந்து ரொம்ப லைட்டா போடணும் எப்பவுமே. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm seeing from Hamshita. Okay, upper lip கொஞ்சம் பெருசாயிருச்சு. But it's all right actually, no problem. I like the eye details, they are very good. Okay, good Hamshita.
Okay.
Okay, so the major things we have done. So a little bit of shading also we can do below the lower lip. Okay, so below the lower lip, maybe in the side of this lip there is a shading. Do very light. Okay, do very light. So I'm just making a little bit of shading here. So in the lip in the இடத்துல I just made very light, very light shading. Here also very light shading. Then the shadow of the nose falls down. So adukku I'm going to do the shading. The same time nose layum I'm making a above lip. I'm making this line little darker. So I'm going to give little gap with the upper lip. Then the whole thing idellame I'm trying to give some shading. So this make it look like the shadow from the nose is falling on the face. Shadow from the nose is
ஆனா இந்த ஷேடோ எல்லாம் அந்த ஸ்டாச்சுல எப்படி சார் பண்ணுவாங்க?
இதுக்கு நீ தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும் சுகன்யா. ஸ்டாச்சுல எப்படி பண்ணுவாங்க? ஸ்டாச்சுல பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. பக்கத்துல லைட் வைக்கிறதுல அப்படி விழுகும் இல்லையா? ஸ்டாச்சு நம்மள மாதிரி தானே இருக்கும். So light is coming from the top. அதனால இந்த மாதிரி ஷேடோ விழுகுது ஸ்டாச்சுல. இந்த மாதிரி இங்க ஸ்டாச்சு இங்க ஷேடோ விழுகுது. From the lower lip also there is a shadow. This also lighter shadow. Okay, so you have to make lighter shadow then darker shadow. Practice panna panna you will get it, don't worry. If it becomes dark it's all right, you don't have to worry. Just try to make lighter shadow, that is all. So generally make only lighter shadow, never make darker shadow. If it is required, the second time you can make it darker shadow. Start with lighter shadow always. So this is the shadow of the lower lip. Even upper lip shadow is falling in the lower lip. So adu kuda it is going to fall here actually. So on the shadow I'm making it. Shade of the upper lip, it is falling here, and the lower lip like this. So ரொம்ப லைட்டா பண்ணுங்க, otherwise it will spoil the whole thing. Here I make this line. Okay, so shadow, nose oda shadow, the lips oda shadow, finish it. Then after that in the chinnila we are making a shadow. Chinnila kilayum the shadow starts. இதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபுல்லா ஷேடிங் தான். லைட்டா நம்ம ஐ முடிச்சிட்டோம்னா then hair it's going to be easy. So இங்க சின்னில this shadow. So in the right side I'm see sometimes if it is very difficult to make the shadow, you can make lighter lines. The long time back I told you the shadows can be made with simple light lines. So இந்த மாதிரி light lines நீங்க போடலாம் actually. So right side here I made this. Right side I made this. அப்புறம் மூக்கு பக்கத்துல so இங்க leftல there is already a line. So இங்க அது மாதிரி light ஒரு line, definitely not darker, light I have drawn a line. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த மூக்குல in this line we have, so அது பக்கத்துல லைட்டா ஷேடிங். Try lighter shading. So இதோட போதும் actually. Okay. Then I'll wait for you to complete the right side. அதுக்கப்புறம் we'll move to the left side. So looks like இன்னைக்குமே வந்து, so I thought it is a very, every time I'm thinking it is an easy subject and you can finish in time. So maybe 6:45 ஆயிரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். 10 more minutes, maybe 6:40 we'll try to finish. Okay, so these are the shadows. So left side we have to make shadows in the cheeks. Yes?
இது கரெக்டான பார்க்க முடியுமா?
பார்க்கலாமே.
இந்த ஷேடிங்.
சரி, ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு. லைட்டா தான் போட்டிருக்கீங்க. இட் இஸ் குட்.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, it's coming good. எல்லா பேருக்கும் நல்லா வருது. So Anirudh also has done nicely. Good, Anirudh.
Sir.
Sukanya also showing. Okay, nicely developing Sukanya. It is good. The why கீழ வந்து why there's so much space நிறைய இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. But it's okay. When you complete it's going to be good, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good shading, Hamshita. Okay, good. Yeah.
Sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, என் தம்பி உங்ககிட்ட பேசணுமா சார்?
பேசணுமா? கிளாஸ்ல டைம் இல்லையே. கிரிஷ் is good, looking good, கிரிஷ். So கீழ வந்து டார்க்கர் லைன்ஸ் போட்டுருக்கு. லைட்டா போடணும். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் ஆல் ரைட். சரி, தம்பி என்ன சொல்றான் சொல்லு.
Good
morning, sir.
ஏய், இப்பதான் தூங்கி எந்திரிச்சாடா? என்னடா?
Good evening, sir.
ஓகேடா, குட் ஈவினிங்டா. குட் ஈவினிங்.
என்ன வரைய போறீங்க?
தெரியலையே. அக்காவை கேளு, உங்க அக்காவை கேளு. சரி, ஓகே, நம்ம we'll continue with the shading. So we have to do many. Okay, இந்த மூக்குல வந்து கொஞ்சம் little bit திக்கா போடுறேன் இந்த ஷேடிங். ஓகே, so இந்த மூக்குல இந்த இடத்துல, okay, do it. So இந்த இடத்துல I'm doing this shading. So இந்த ஷேடிங்க I'm making it கொஞ்சம் திக்கா பண்றேன். There is another line also I'm doing it here. So இந்த nose shading முடிஞ்சது. ஸோ இந்த லெஃப்ட் சைடில் ரொம்ப லைட்டாக போடணும். எப்படி போட போறீங்கன்னு தெரியல. ட்ரை டு மேக் லைட்டர் லைன்ஸ். So I'm making this whole area some lighter shading like this. Okay, so lighter shading. So light shading மேல இருந்தே ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாம். So this is a lighter shading I have done. Okay, lighter shading. இந்த இடத்துல மாத்திரம் second time I'm doing, I'm making little darker shading. கொஞ்சம் dark. So இங்க மேலையும் I'm trying to complete ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஷேடிங் எல்லாம் பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டு இதுலயே ஃபினிஷ் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நம்ம வந்து இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் யூ கேன் டூ த இயர்பட் எல்லாம் வச்சு ரொம்ப லைட்டா பண்ணலாம். ஸோ முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு வந்து பென்சில்லையே வந்து யூ ஹேவ் டு பிரிங் இட். இப்போ கரெக்டான லைட் அண்ட் டார்க் நம்ம வச்சுட்டோம்னா இட் வில் பி குட், பர்ஃபெக்டா இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஃபேஸ் முடிஞ்சது. கொஞ்சம் நெக்லையும் வில் டூ சம் ஷேடிங். I'll little bit make it up. இப்போ நெத்தியில வந்து we have to do it. நெத்தியில we have to do it. So இந்த ஐப்ரோல வந்து these wrinkles நம்ம பண்ணோம். அது மாதிரி there are more wrinkles. So I'm making one more wrinkle and one more wrinkle. Speed up. See now speeding up is perfectly all right. இந்த கண்ணு மூக்கு வாய் வரையும் போது we have to draw. இப்போ வந்து you can speed up. Okay, so I'm making a wrinkle here. So making one more wrinkle here. So இந்த இடத்துலயும் வந்து there is another wrinkle like this. So many wrinkles you made. This fellow is very angry. After making these wrinkles, இந்த தலையோட ஷேடோ, அதாவது இந்த பஞ்சு மிட்டாய் ஹெட், இந்த ஹெட்டோட ஷேடோ வந்து விழுக போகுது. அதுக்காக இதுக்கு மேல செகண்ட் லைன் ஆஃப் ஷேடோ ஐ எம் டூயிங். Second line of shading I have done now. So the eyebrow க்கு மேல I'm keeping it white. அப்பதான் அதோட ஹைலைட் வந்து நல்லா தெரியும். அதனால
நான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் டார்க்கா பண்ணிட்டதுனால எரேசர் வச்சு அழிக்காம எரேசரால ஜஸ்ட் டச் பண்ணி எடுத்தேன் சார். அதுக்கே அது வந்து நல்லா சாஃப்டாவும் ஆயிடுச்சு, நல்லா பிரைட்னஸும் கம்மியாயிடுச்சு சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே, குட் குட். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே குட். ஸோ இங்க டார்க் பண்ணியாச்சு. அடுத்து காது முடிக்கணும் நம்ம. காது, கழுத்து, ஹேர் ஸ்டைல் வேற பண்ணணும் நம்ம. ஓகே, okay, so அதுக்கப்புறம் I'll see all of your work after completing only. Okay, so now let's காதுக்கு வந்து so I'm going to give some details. So I did this line. Okay, now I'm making another line like this. Second line, காது மடல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So I'm making this line. Then I am going to make a curve here. Actually, there is a one curve and there is a second curve. Okay, so that's all. So after making this, idukaprom you can start shading inside this. Inside here, there is two shading you can do. This is a light shading completely. I'm doing. I did a light shading completely. Adukaprom I give a dark shading. So இந்த இடத்துல கொஞ்சம் dark, மேல இங்க கொஞ்சம் dark. அவ்வளவுதான். This is done. Okay, so this is done.
Sir, என்னோட செக் பண்றீங்களா?
Okay. Okay, நல்லதா இருக்கு. நல்லதா இருக்கு. Good, good. Good, Mia.
Thank you, sir.
ஸோ கழுத்துக்கும் கொஞ்சம் ஷேடிங் கொடுத்துட்டோம்னா தென் ஹேர் மாத்திரம் நம்ம முடிச்சிடலாம். கழுத்துக்கும் ஃப்ரீயா யூ கேன் கிவ் ஷேடிங். ஸோ கழுத்துல வந்து ஐ ஹேவ் திஸ் லைன். ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஸோ ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் மேக்கிங். ஸோ லுக் அட் திஸ், ஐம் மேக்கிங் லைக் திஸ் பிகாஸ் இந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஐம் கோயிங் டு கிவ் லாட் ஆஃப் ஷேடிங். ஸோ இங்க வந்து ஐம் ட்ரைங் டு கிவ் லிட்டில் டார்க்கர் ஷேடிங். Okay, so இந்த இடத்துல I'm trying to give little darker shading. So இதுக்கு மேல வந்து so we can do some lighter shading. So ஃபுல்லாவே I'm doing the shading. So இந்த particular இடத்துல I can make it darker. இந்த கழுத்துக்கு கீழே வந்து so இந்த shadow will fall. So அந்த shadow வந்து I'm trying to do here. So இந்த இடத்துல I made it little darker. இந்த இடத்துல I made it little darker. So in the left layum I can give some shading. So on the right side layum I can give some shading. So இதெல்லாம் base shading அப்படின்னு. So you can give some light shading. அதுக்கப்புறம் we can give some dark shading. Some light shading. So சில இடத்துல dark shading like this. இந்த
இது ஓகேயா? இந்த ஷேடிங்
okay தான் Imya, don't worry. It is going to be good, nicely done. Good work. I saw that.
Thank you.
So I'm trying to make this line darker. So in the shoulder he is having a sling bag. So on the details நமக்கு தேவையில்லை. But he holds it. இந்த கையில வந்து he holds it. So முடிஞ்சா வரீங்க, இல்லைன்னா இது தேவையில்லை actually. But still I can, this is one finger. Okay, this is one finger. So this is the bag. So in the sling bag order, one end is having it. He's holding it. Okay. Okay, so you don't have to draw this. Okay, இந்த கை ஒரு விரல் இதெல்லாம் draw பண்ண வேண்டாம். கழுத்து ஷேடிங் பண்ணுங்க. Then we will start hair. Okay, கழுத்து ஷேடிங் முடிஞ்சதா? முடிக்கு நிறைய வேலை இருக்கு, பட் வில் ட்ரை டு டூ கொஞ்சம் சிம்பிளா பண்ணலாம். So he's having a curly hair. Okay, curly hair. So இந்த curly hairல வந்து, so we have to make this hair bunch. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி, this is a hair bunch, this is another hair bunch. Okay, so here is another hair bunch. So in the madri, we have to make a lot of hair bunches actually. Hair bunch, this is another hair bunch. Okay, so I'm just dividing this into different hair bunches. So look at this. So it need not be exactly like this. So you can have your own way of dividing into different hair bunches. Curly hair, it's a bunch of curly hair. Okay, it is like this. Okay, just dividing into different, in the mari round you can make it different. It is all right. Okay, so just make like this. So I'm just making curves, making another curve, making another curve. But we have already drew the boundaries, and the boundary விட்டு வெளியே போக கூடாது. Okay, just making one more here. Quickly you can complete. So it's all in your mind. So in the concept உங்களுக்கு தெளிவா தெரிஞ்சதுனா, then it is quite easy. So quickly you can complete. This fellow with curly hairs and okay, I have divided the whole thing into a lot of bunch of hairs. So looks like his brain has come out. Also looks like brain. Okay, so start இது பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் it is ஒரு curly hairலையும் we have to give shading. Okay, so if I take this particular one, so I'm going to give shading like this. So mostly light is coming from the top, அதனால இதோட இந்த இதுல கீழ வந்து it's going to be a shading. Okay, so இந்த bunchல so ஒரு bunchலையும் like the tree bunch நம்ம பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரு இந்த bunchல fully it is going to be shadow. So I'm making shadow. கீழ வந்து I'm making this shadow. Okay, so இந்த bunchல நடுவுல, so இதுல கீழ I'm making some shadow. So இந்த bunchல கீழ I'm making this shadow. So like this. இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம கான்செப்ட் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணிக்கணும். So in the original drawing, original thing, it might look complex. So you have to, every drawing, whatever you make it very, very simple for you and do it, and that is going to be fantastic. Every drawing you make Okay, teach you have to teach. When I'm not there, you have to teach yourself and make it very simple for you. So every bunch I have done some shading. Okay, I've done some shading. So you பண்ணாவே the hair will look good and complete. So in addition, I'm going to draw some hair lines for the hair. So in addition, I'm going to draw. So this is the first step. Okay, it's not the first step. First step is putting the area. Second step is making the bunches of hair. Now third step is giving this shading. Just giving shading in each. Okay, shading எல்லாம் கொடுத்து முடிச்சிட்டேன். Maybe in the முடிக்கு கீழே I can make it more darker. It gets good shading. Okay. Oh, the last step in this whole drawing. So I know you guys are busy doing it. The last step is in each bunch you have to draw lines of hairs. Parallel lines of curvy lines of hairs. Each hair you can take it and just one. So look at this. I'm just drawing a couple of. Let me take the camera more closer and now you can see. So I did these lines. So in each hair, it can be in a different direction. It can be like this. In this bunch, I have done like this. In this bunch, I'm doing like this. Just make these curvy lines. So with that, we are finishing. Just I'm making curvy lines. Okay.
இப்படிதானே இருக்கணும்.
அப்போ நீங்க போட்டு முடிங்க, நான் பாக்குறேன் நானு. யா கர்வி, எஸ் கர்வி லைன்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி போடலாம்.
Thank you.
So I made a lot of curvy lines. So we're doing hairstyling. Okay, so I've done nice hairstyle for this fellow. So he appears to be happily angry. It is happily angry. So he's happy with the hairstyles and he's doing his job of angry. Okay, some kind of all done. Now, final eye, near the eye, I just make it full dark. Near the eye, I make it full dark here. Some places I'm making. So when you complete the hair lines, you can show it to me.
நான் hair lines complete பண்ணிட்டேன் கொஞ்சம் பார்க்க முடியுமா?
Okay, பார்க்கிறேன். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி we have to say I'm drawing a bird now. With this, I don't know how to draw this bird angry. But the cuckoo bird is always cool, never angry. But a small bird standing there in his shoulders, just keeping the beak up, so that means it is angry. Okay. Okay, from you, Imaya, it is nice. So நிறைய lines போட்டிருக்கீங்க. Okay, good, nice portrait. Good work. Okay. So I'm seeing from Sukanya now. So Sukanya, அந்த தாடை மாத்திரம் like below the mouth, அது கொஞ்சம் பெருசானது, it looks like an issue. But hair is good. Okay. Eye you can make it darker again actually. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so lower part is good. Sorry, okay. It looks like a nice statue. Okay, so it is looking good. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. See what I do after perfect shading. Okay, I even make it deliberate lines. Okay, like this. So then it will look like a very nice sketch. I make these deliberate lines, then that will look like a good sketch. So let's see who is showing. This is by, okay, nice portrait, Madhuvanti. But he appears to be very happy, angry and happy. So this fellow looks like a happy. He's not going for a fight, right? But he's, it is looking good. So in the முடியில, so இது கீழ வந்து you can make it more darker. Okay, make it more darker. The shadows are going to make any artwork very good. So you can make it more darker actually. This place. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good work. Very good work.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can I leave?
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I'm seeing from Krish now. Okay, Krish, nice shading. Looks like in addition, you have done some blending. Okay, so it is looking good. You can do it. Why not? So blending you have to do always at the end. Okay, so good work. Nice portrait. Nicely done, Krish. So one thing you have to remember is, see, look at this shoulder. Okay, so this, it has to perfectly, it has to go. So இந்த இடத்துல கொஞ்சம் மேல இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு, இல்லைனா the left shoulder இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மேல, கொஞ்சமா மேல வரலாம், but otherwise the whole thing is looking very good.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so this shoulder, when you make a line, ரெண்டுமே வந்து, so it has to come in the same line. So that you need to keep in mind. Good work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm seeing from Anirudh. நல்லா இருக்கு Anirudh. Looks like a good statue. Okay, it is good. So in the neckline வந்து you can make the shadow darker. Okay, neckline இந்த இடத்துல you can make it darker. So இந்த ரெண்டு இடத்துல you can make it darker. Okay, looks good. Looks good. நல்லா இருக்கு. So I'm seeing from Hamshita. Okay, good shading, Hamshita. It is looking good. So yeah. So நல்லா இருக்கு. Mouth கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருக்கு. But shading, I like the shading for the eyes. So in the chinla வந்து you have to correct it. In the roundish, round-ஆ கொஞ்சம் போட்டுறணும் actually. So it is still, it is sharp-ஆ இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. So அது கொஞ்சம் round-ஆ பண்ணிடலாம். Okay. So otherwise it is good.
Okay.
Where is the ear? Ear. So this line has to start from this ear actually. Look at this. This line, it is the jaw line starts from here. Not only jaw line, இந்த கழுத்து லைனுமே இங்க இருந்து வருது actually. So you have to check that, and that is the one correction, logical correction actually. Otherwise, the details are good, very good. Good work. Okay, I'm seeing from Aparna now. Okay, very good, Aparna. Very good, very good. So in the starting, it looked very good. So only problem I see is that the eyes become little closer actually. Little closer. So otherwise, nose, mouth is good. So in the bottom, it is looking very sharp. It has to be curved like this. Okay, in the bottom. Okay, good, fine details, light shading, which is very, very good. Good work, Aparna.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I'm seeing from Sukanya. Sukanya, வேற ஏதாவது கரெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? கண்ணுக்கு மேல ஷேடா கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க. Okay, இந்த கழுத்துல வந்து you have made so இந்த இடத்துலயும் இந்த இடத்துலயும் you have to make it darker. Okay, you have to make it darker.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good work, good work.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
கண்ணுக்கு நடுவுல make it darker actually. Okay, make it darker. கண்ணுக்கு நடுவுல ஒரு ரவுண்ட் போட்டோம் இல்லையா, அந்த ரவுண்ட் make it darker.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. So, okay, who is this? So, this should be Nitila. Okay. சரி, ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு. நீ பொறுமையா பண்ணுங்க. இட் இஸ் கமிங் குட். நல்லா இருக்கு. Looks good. So Nandan has nicely completed. And I like the eyes. Now ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. Mouth also good. கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருக்கலாம் mouth. I like the hairstyle. Hairstyle also looks good. Okay, good Nandan. Very good work. After a break, Nandan is joining. Looks good. So this is Mithula, right? சரி, ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு. மவுத்துக்கெல்லாம் ஷேடிங் கொடுங்க. இட் இஸ் கமிங் nicely. நல்லா இருக்கு. I like the hairstyle. Okay, good work. Okay.
Sir, can I leave?
Yes. So this is Akhil showing, but தலை மேல போன மாதிரி இருக்கு. இந்த காது தாண்டி முடியெல்லாம் வருது இல்ல, எங்க காது தாண்டி ஒண்ணும் வரல. ஹேர் கட்டு. ஸோ ஹேர் இப்படி வரணும், இங்க வரைக்கும் வரணும். இங்க வரைக்கும் இப்படி வந்தா சரியா இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் ஒன் ப்ராப்ளம். அரேஸ் மிச்சம் எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கு. குட். ஐஸ், நோஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கு. வெரி குட். Okay, I've seen from Krish, Anirudh. So Imaya, I've seen from Imaya also.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, okay. See you all next week.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.